Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to create a group on TikTok. The process is straightforward. The only thing you have to do is open your application. After it opens, you can see some options on the bottom of your screen. This first option is Home, and this one is Friend. It's a plus icon, Inbox, and last one is Profile. And from here, you have to tap on this option Inbox. And you will move to the chat section. And here, you cannot find the option of creating a group chat. The first thing you have to do is select a friend which you want to add in group. Just for example, I'll add this friend. And here tap on these three dots, which are on the top right. And on the top of these, you can see the option group. Tap on it. And here are my all friends. From here, select yours. Just for example, I'll select this person. Now select as much as you can. Now if you want to remove the previous one, then tap on tap. On the last tap, this option Start Group. So it was primary way by which you can create group chat on TikTok.